In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp Web. If you've ever experienced the frustration of important messages vanishing from your chats on WhatsApp Web, don't worry. This simple guide will walk you through the steps to turn off this feature, ensuring that your messages stay where they belong, permanently visible in your conversation history. To get started, you'll first need to open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, which will help avoid any interruptions during the process. After opening WhatsApp Web, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. Once you're ready, locate the chat in which you'd like to disable disappearing messages. You can do this by scrolling through your list of conversations on the left-hand side. Simply click on the chat to open it in the main viewing area. With the chat open, draw your attention to the top portion of your screen. Here you'll find the name of the contact or group associated with the conversation. Clicking on this name will open up the contact or group information panel. This panel contains various settings and information about the person or group you're chatting with, including their phone number, status, and most importantly for us today, the disappearing messages settings. Once the information panel is open, scroll down until you find the option labeled Disappearing Messages. Usually, this setting is located near the middle to lower section of the panel, and you might see it flagged with an indicator showing its current status, whether it's on or off. Clicking on Disappearing Messages will open another window or dialog box that presents you with different options related to this feature. In this new window, you need to make a critical choice. Select Off to disable the disappearing messages. This choice means that any new messages in this chat will no longer automatically disappear after a set period. It's important to note that this change only affects new messages. Any previous messages that were set to disappear will still do so based on their original settings. If you've followed these steps, you should now have successfully disabled the disappearing messages feature in your chosen chat on WhatsApp Web. This change ensures that your communications remain intact and accessible whenever you need to refer back to them. Remember that doing this for one chat doesn't affect others, so be sure to repeat the process for any other conversations where you wish to preserve your message history. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips on using WhatsApp effectively.